The pressure switch allows you to turn the air compressor on and off, and it turns the motor on and off at preset pressures. Common problems with the pressure switch are burnt contacts, a worn-out pressure spring, or damage from accidents such as something falling on it. Replacing the pressure switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before making any repairs on your air compressor, be sure to unplug the cord and drain the air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the manifold from the top cover. Next, I'll remove the tube that leads to the manifold. The tube's secured with a crimp-style clamp. I'll need to cut it off to remove it. This clamp will need to be replaced during reassembly. With the clamp removed, now I can remove the hose. Now I'll remove the pressure switch cover. The screw for the cover is in a confined area. It's difficult to get a screwdriver in here. So a trick you can use is to take a small Phillips bit and I'll put a 1/4-inch wrench on it. And that way I can remove the screw. Now remove the wires from the pressure switch, the black wire from the cord, and the black wire that leads to the motor. Again, this is a confined area, so I'll use the driver tip and a wrench to remove it. Next, I'll remove the grounding wires, and for that I can use a socket. And I can leave the white wires connected. Now I can remove the pressure switch from the tank. With the pressure switch removed, there's a few items we'll need to transfer from it to the new one. The barbed nipple, the safety valve, and this plug. First, I'll remove the safety valve. Next, the barbed nipple. And last, I'll remove the plug. Now I'll install the pieces onto the new switch. I'll wrap each piece with a little bit of thread tape so the air doesn't leak. I'll apply some thread tape to the tank nipple and then reinstall the pressure switch. Now I'll reinstall the wires. First, the grounding wires. Now let's reinstall the black wires. The wire from the motor goes on the bottom part of the switch. Need to loosen the screw first. Now I'll loosen the screw for the cord wire. It goes on the top connection. And I'll make sure that all the wires are tucked up into the pressure switch housing and out of the way so we can reinstall the cover. Now I'll reinstall the cover. And secure it with the screw. Next, I'll reinstall the manifold tube. I'll place a new crimp clamp onto the tube, insert the tube onto the nipple, and secure the tube in place with the clamp. To compress the clamp, I'll use a pair of end nippers. Place them over the ears on the clamp and tighten them up. Of course, being careful to not cut it off. Now I'll reinstall the cover and the manifold. I'll align the cover with the frame and secure it with the screws. Now realign the manifold with the cover and secure it. Now reinstall the cover and the manifold. And secure it with the screws. And secure it. And that's all it takes to replace the pressure switch on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.